presenting the 2003 Mercury Mountaineer Convenience. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 130 amp alternator, 22.5 gallon fuel tank, 2800 capacity front/3325 capacity rear axle, second row reading lamp, second/third row child safety seat, tether anchors on all seating positions, second/third row fixed head restraints on all seating positions, 3.55 axle ratio, third row safety lap belts, and 72 mph, 650 cca, maintenance-free battery with battery saver feature. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.